In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Adidas promo code or coupon code or discount code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and right here at the search box type in Adidas promo code. It moves you to the search results where you can find a lot of different websites that offers you free promo codes. You can open up any of them. Here, for example, I got 22 different coupon codes. For example, that one gives me 33% off for AD Club members. I can hit there at more details to get some extra information, and also then I can tap at show coupon to see that discount code. Then I can tap on this icon to copy it to my clipboard, and then I can move to Adidas website or to its mobile application, and there I can use the discount code before paying any money. Just don't forget to enter it before you pay money. And if for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can in any time go back to that website and from here try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.